So how do you reverse an audio file in Logic? First, we need to make sure that our advanced tools are turned on in the Logic preferences. So click on advanced tools here and then make sure show advanced tools and audio are both checked. Now double click any audio file in your project, and then if it's not already there, click on the file tab, then click functions and then hit reverse right here. Alternatively, you can just hit Control-Shift-R. Notice that if I duplicate the file and then reverse that file, both regions are going to be affected. To reverse just one region, we're going to use the reverse checkbox in this inspector tab over here. If you're trying to reverse a logic loop, which is a .caf file, make sure you do so in the region menu. So we'll do it just like that. Logic doesn't let you reverse the file itself in our file menu, as you can see. If you do want to affect the whole file, right click on your file and then do bounce in place, which will send it to a new WAV file, and then you can reverse that file. That's it. See you in the next one.